Good morning everyone, welcome back to our online class. And how are you this morning everyone? Okay, so teacher believe that you are fine altogether. Okay, so everyone, you reviewed the lesson last night. Okay, good job everyone. So teacher believe that you also reviewed the lesson last night. Okay, so everyone, did you sleep well last night everyone? Good. So now welcome back to our online class. And everyone, can you tell me, based on the online schedule, so which subject that we are going to study? Okay, good. So in the first session, okay, on Thursday we are going to study about grammar planet 3. Okay, good. So everyone, can you tell me or what you remember? Okay, so what have you learned yesterday everyone? Okay, good. So you have learned about appendix, right? So appendix, it is about part 2, which is about simple present, right? Okay, so everyone, can you provide the definition? What is simple present? Okay, and what is the formula of simple present, everyone? Okay, very good. So simple present, okay, is a kind of verb tense that indicate or express about the action that happening as the schedule, or we can say it's the repeated action, okay, that happen again and again. Okay, and it is also referred to the action that happen every day, right? It is regular. Okay, very good everyone. And how about the formula of simple present? Okay, very good. So we have 3 types. The first one is affirmative, the second one is negative, and the last one is question, right? And affirmative, the formula is subject plus verb, verb 1 or base verb plus object. Very good. And how about the second one, negative? Very good. So subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 and plus object. Very good. And how about the question? Okay, good. So we use do or does in from the subject, and then we plus subject plus verb 1 plus object, and don't forget question mark. Very good. And another one, it is about simple present with to be, right? Is MR, right? Very good. So everyone, teacher believe that you know exactly about simple present with to be. Okay, okay, good everyone. So now we are going to continue from part 2 that it is about, okay, very good, present continuous. Okay, so everyone, this is about the lesson that we are going to revise, okay, again. Very good. So everyone, can you tell me or can you provide me the definition what is present continuous? As you have known already, okay, about present continuous tense, about the definition, right? So can you provide me, everyone? Everyone, volunteer please. Good job. Okay, so present continuous tense is the tense that used to indicate or express about the action that is happening now, okay, or indicate the action that is happening current moment, right, of the speaking. Very good. So example, I am teaching English. I am teaching English. So this is referred to the action that is happening now. As you can see, right, I am teaching English. So refer to the action that is happening now. It is not in the past, it is not in the future, but it is in currently action. You see? Very good. So everyone, we have 3 types: affirmative, negative, and question. The same, right? Like present simple tense. But everyone, now you can see, okay, affirmative form, we use subject, okay, to be. To be here, it is about is, am, are, and then plus verb ing. And the last, it is about the object, right? The rest of the sentence. And everyone, as you can see about the formula already. So let's see the example altogether. Okay. So the example here, she is listening the music now. She is listening the music now. So everyone, you have to underline, okay, about the sentence here. So she here refer to subject, right? Very good. And is, it is about to be. Good. And after that, listening, it is about verb ing. Very good. So to clarify about to be, you can know exactly, right? So we have three. The first one is, the second one am, and the last one is are. And we use different subject. Like is, we use with he, she, it. Am, we use with I. And are, we use with you, with they, right? Of course. So anyone, now you can see the second example. Okay, what is that? Okay, so the second example, it is about we are learning English at this moment. Okay, so we are learning English at this moment. So everyone, you can underline or you can clarify or modify, okay, about the sentence here. So we is the subject, are is to be, we use with we, right? And learning, it is about verb ing. You see, so it is about the action that is happening now. As you can see, you are learning English, right? So right now you are learning English. You are not doing anything, but you are learning English. You see, so the action, it is happening now. Good. So everyone, it is about the affirmative. So let's move on to the negative form. So what is that? So the negative form, the formula is subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing, and then the rest of the sentence, it is about object. You see? Good. So to be the same, right? The same. In the first one is am, are. Very good. So now let's see the example. You are not watching TV now. You are not watching TV now. TV here stands for television. Okay, good. So the same, you is the subject, are is to be, and this not as the form here. And then we plus verb ing, the rest of the sentence. Okay, very good. So now let's move on to the last example. I am not reading the book. I am not reading the book. So I here is the subject, am is to be, that we use with I, and not, okay, the form, and the last one, it is about verb ing. You see, very good. So anyone, you have to remember, okay, as the note here, you can look at the note. So it is about the negative. So how to form in the short one, okay, very good. So are not, the short form we can use and, okay, see, are not, it means and. Is not, we can use the short form isn't. Okay, and am not, we cannot combine. Okay, we cannot combine together, we cannot mix together, we cannot combine with am and not, but actually we can combine the subject I with to be, right? So I'm not, right? Good. So you have to remember, this is about the note. You can note about the negative form. Very good. So everyone, now let's move on to the question form. So the question form, you have to use to be for the first, and after that subject plus verb ing plus object, and don't forget the question mark. You see, good. So to be here is am, are. Very good, based on the subject. Very good. So now let's look at the example altogether. So the first example, are you listening the music? Are you listening the music? So I here we use with subject you, right? Very good. So after that we plus verb ing, and after that the rest of the sentence and question mark. Okay, good. So now let's move on to the last example. Is it raining now? Is it raining now? So is we use with subject it. Very good. So is it raining now? Okay, they ask you about the rain, right? So you can answer everyone. Now let's answer all together. So we can say the short answer. So the first sentence, are you listening the music? So if you listen the music, you can say yes, right? Very good. So you can say short answer. Okay. So the first one, yes, I am. Okay. If you say yes, so yes, I am. Okay, very good. And how about the last? Is it raining now? Is it raining, everyone? Very good. So if it is not raining, so the answer it must be no, right? So no, it is not, or it isn't, right? Very good. So everyone, teacher believe that you can know exactly about present continuous tense, right? Especially regarding to the formula and also the definition of present continuous tense. Okay, very good, everyone. So do you have any question regarding to the lesson for the first session, anyone? Very good. And if you don't have any questions, so this is about the end for the first session, and see you the second session altogether. Goodbye.